Hello, I'm Kim from Keep Fit with Kim, and today I'm going to talk about the leg slide exercise. Not many ways you can advance this, but how you can teach it to people if you're new, or how to learn it if you're doing it for yourself. We're going to start on the floor, as that exercise is on the floor, and think about your posture, because the thing that happens often in this exercise is people allow their back to arch off the floor. So this exercise is about warming up through the lower body and through the shoulder area, but it's also about keeping the core stable. So what I want you to do to start with is just check that you've got a neutral spine, tuck your back down into the mat, release it back up, and you've got a little bit of gap underneath. You can stick your fingers underneath. And when you first do this, if you're new to it, or you have clients that are new to it, stick your fingers underneath your lower back, and you should feel no movement. So we're trying to keep that back as stable as possible. Feet hip width apart. Start with the feet and knees together, toes out, heels out, so that they're approximately hip width apart. And you're going to breathe in. As you breathe out, you're going to slide that heel away from you along the mat until it comes all the way out. Softly pointed and coming back. And while you do this, be aware you're going to breathe out as you take the leg away, in as you come back in. The heel slides along the mat. Breathing out as you go away, in as you come back. Engage that core. Think about pulling the belly button back against the spine without actually moving the spine. Now, one of the things I see often goes wrong with this exercise, people think it's easy. But what I often find is that some people, while they're doing it, take their legs out to the side, opening out. Their feet often start coming back in together, so really be aware of that. But also, I find that the other knee starts to wobble, so you sort of get this sort of movement with the knee wobbling. So if you push this heel into the mat, that makes it easier. Once you're stronger, you're not going to notice that. So that's a good way to start as a basic exercise for a beginner. When you want to advance that slightly, a few things you can do. You can add the arms, opposite arm or same side. But what I'm going to do first of all is just extend that stretch. So you're going to stretch away and then flex the foot. And that is going to give an extra stretch through the knee and through the calf. You're still trying to keep everything as still as possible. I'm now taking my hands away, but if you feel that your back is wobbling, you need to hold that there. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the arms. So with the beginner's class, I would always start with just the legs and then maybe just do the arms and then put them together. So with the arms, always get them to open up, or always make sure you open up across the back and turn the arms out so that they're not restricted, so you're not rounded in. Open out through the shoulders. And I like to take my thumb back. So breathe in. As you breathe out, take that thumb back. If you take it in that position, you're going to be able to take the arm a lot further back. If you try and take the back of the palm, you're restricting the shoulder. By opening it out, you're going to go that little bit further back. I don't know if you could see that. I'm going to do that again on the other side. So if I've got it with the back of the hand to the sky, and as I lift up, taking the back of the hand up, I comfortably, without hunching up, come to about there. If I open up through the shoulder, I can take it all the way back. Isn't going to work with everybody. I also see people bending their arm in order to touch the floor. That really doesn't help. Keep the arm nice and straight. Then when you're ready, you can take it to opposite arm and knee. Now this is where you have to be really aware of what's going on in your lower back. Breathing out as you take the arm and leg away, engaging the core, thinking about engaging the pelvic floor, and coming back. So sometimes you might want to do it like that. Another way I quite like to do it is starting with the arms up, and then you take one down, one up, coming back up. Just variations. It really doesn't matter which you do. And you can have same arm, same leg going away as well, just for variety. And what you'll find is when you take same arm and same leg, quite often that side of the back will flatten. So it's a little bit harder than doing opposite arm and leg generally. I hope that helps. I will be posting more how to progress and regress videos for students and for training instructors. See you again. Bye for now.